All right, when you say you lost your wife, lost your job, lost your children, what, they left you?
He walks into the courtroom ready to present himself as the heartbroken victim with a story that could bring anyone to tears. But the judge has a document that tells a different tale. This is Johnny Ramirez. He's about to recount how his life spiraled out of control after he discovered his wife's betrayal while their daughter was facing a serious illness. It's a heartbreaking story, and for a moment it almost feels real, but the judge is about to read from a confidential report, a report that holds a shocking detail proving that Johnny's narrative is nothing but a carefully crafted lie. As you listen to his story, ask yourself, does this man deserve your sympathy, or is he just a master of excuses? I'm curious to know what you think.
All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 6932, State versus Johnny Guy Ramirez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Anthony Cantrell for Mr. Ramirez.
Are you Mr. Ramirez?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Johnny Guy Ramirez who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 6932 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 1 to 4 grams on October 23rd, 2023 for a period of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 4. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Johnny Guy Ramirez, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January and February 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, ma'am.
He immediately admits to the violation. This is a strategic move. He and his lawyer have already agreed to a 3-year prison sentence with the prosecutor. His only hope now is that the story he's about to tell will be so heartbreaking that the judge might consider rejecting the deal and showing him mercy.
All right, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. It is to revoke the defendant, adjudicate him guilty, and sentence him to 3 years in the prison.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Johnny Ramirez, ma'am.
All right, why were you not successful?
And here it is. The judge opens the door for him to tell his story. He's about to paint a picture of a man who lost everything. The question is, will the judge buy it?
Well, I lost my job, lost my wife, lost my kids. I just didn't have no way of getting around anymore.
All right, when you say you lost your wife, lost your job, lost your children, what, they left you?
Yes, ma'am. No, and she didn't leave me, I caught her cheating. Yeah.
Right, so here's the thing. If somebody is being unfaithful to you, that shouldn't cause your life to fall apart, because at the end of the day, usually what I've discovered, that person may have known you for only 10 years of your life, and you're letting your life fall behind, because of that.
Yes, I did. And then I raised my babies the whole time, and I just couldn't keep it together no more. Just losing her, my kids, everything. I remember my daughter was having brain surgery, remember? And she's going through it again.
There he is, a devastating betrayal, especially while his daughter's facing brain surgery. This makes him look like a complete victim. So why does the judge's expression barely change? She knows something he doesn't realize is in his file.
And his first one was successful, so not to go through it again, and it just killed me finding out that she was cheating and just let everything go. But
sometimes people will wait for us while we work our way through things, and sometimes they will not. I mean, it's just the way it happens.
I just killed me to lose my family.
All right, any objections to the court reviewing the court summary?
None at all.
All right.
And that's the mistake. The defense attorney agrees to let the judge review the court summary, thinking it's a standard procedure for the plea deal. He has no idea he just gave her permission to publicly destroy the very victim story his client just finished telling.
So let me just tell you what the court summary says. And this may be a reason why she decided that she was going to remove her star from you. It says that you failed to attend parenting classes, that you were calling the UA hotline, but you failed to submit to UAs, which usually means somebody's still using. And you were discharged from outpatient treatment due to continued drug use. And so that's why. And it says probationer did not respond to phone calls, text messages, mail letters, and reporting instructions left by field officers. Sometimes people practice tough love, and then sometimes people say, you know, I'm done. I can't deal with this anymore. You're not trying to help yourself, so I'm not going to be a part of this.
The truth finally comes out. He wasn't a victim of his wife's cheating. He was a product of his own choices. He was kicked out of rehab for continued drug use. His entire sob story has just been exposed as a manipulative deflection in front of the entire court.
So I'm going to follow your agreement because you're requesting me to follow your agreement. Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
All right. The court is going to grant the motion, revoke, find you guilty, sentence you to 3 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. And I'll request the therapeutic community. It doesn't increase the time that you're in custody, but if you take advantage of it and they accept you, hopefully it can help you maintain your sobriety. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreements, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. When you're released from custody, if you can't find a sober support housing, transitional housing, or if you need to contact somebody to help you maintain your sobriety, if I'm still here, you come back here. I'll make sure that we find a place for you, okay?
Thank you. I would like that.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Even after he lied by omission directly to her face, the judge offers him a lifeline for when he gets out. The single moment shows that her job isn't just about punishment, it's about seeing if someone is truly willing to change. The question is, will he take it? Was that 3-year sentence the right decision, or did the system miss a chance to provide him with the intensive support he clearly needs? And what about his daughter, who is truly the one suffering here? What responsibility does the system have towards her? I'd love to hear your opinions below.